Welcome to the Bishop School Pre-Primary Junior KG. So children, before we start with our new class, let us recite our school prayer. So stand in your places, join your hands, close your eyes and recite the school prayer after your teacher. अब टीचर के बाद में रिपीट करना है आपको. Almighty God, grant grace to the members of this school to be sincere in work, play and prayer, so that teachers and thought learning from each others may become more fit for thy service and the service of their fellows. Good morning, children. Sit down, sit in your places, fold your hands, sit straight. So today we are going to learn a new poem, that is Pat a Cake. आज हम नया पोएम सीखने वाले हैं, Pat a Cake. Children, do we all bring cake? Right? हम सबको केक खाना बहुत पसंद है. इसके लिए हम केक ज़्यादा करके बर्थडेज या स्पेशल ओकेशन में केक लाते हैं ना. वी ब्रिंग केक्स ऑन अ स्पेशल ओकेशन, बर्थडेज, राइट. So we all love to eat cakes. And who makes this cake? Cake कौन बनाता है? A baker makes this cakes. Who makes? The baker makes this cakes, right? Very good. So here we start. Pat a cake, pat a cake. Can you see a cake? So the girl or the boy is saying, pat a cake means make a cake. Cake बनाओ मेरे लिए. Pat a cake, pat a cake. Baker's man. So the child is telling to the baker, make a cake for me. Pat a cake, pat a cake. Baker's man. He is a baker who bakes cakes. जो केक बनाता है. Bake me a cake. मेरे लिए केक बनाओ. Bake me a cake. As fast as you can. So the child is saying, मेरे लिए केक बनाओ. Make a cake quickly for me. As fast as you can. I'm feeling very hungry, so make the cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it. What is the child saying? Cake को pat करो and prick it. Prick it is make a hole. Prick it. And mark it with T. What the child wants to put on it? T. उसको उस पे केक पे T mark करना है. And mark it with T. Put it in the oven. हम केक कहाँ पे बनाते हैं? Oven में बनाते हैं. So when you make the hole, make sure you have to put the cake in the oven. Oven में डालना होता है वो bake करने के लिए, केक बनाने के लिए. So put it in the oven for teacher and me. So once the cake is ready, the child is saying, put the cake in the oven for teacher and me. So here we are done. Now teacher has given you the words of the poem Pat a Cake. So once more teacher will read the poem for you all. Pat a cake, pat a cake. Baker's man. See, the child is telling to the baker. that pat a cake, baker's man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. तो लड़की क्या बोल रही है बेकर को? Make for me a cake, मेरे लिए केक बनाओ जल्दी. Pat it and prick it. Prick it is उसमें छोटे छोटे होल बनाओ and mark it with T. Put it in the oven for teacher and me. So put it in the oven for teacher and me. तो केक किसके साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं? Yes, she wants to share the cake with her teacher. उसके टीचर के साथ वो शेयर करना चाहती है. So put it in the oven for teacher and me. Okay? Now you all can stand in your places. Teacher will show you the poem with action. You all can repeat the poem after the teacher with action. Okay? अभी फिर से टीचर ये पोएम आपको बोलेगी along with the action and you all have to follow it with action. Okay? So now you can all once again stand in your places and repeat the poem after the teacher along with the action. आपको action के साथ बोलना है. So which poem have we learned today? We have learned Pat a Cake. Which poem have we learned? Pat a Cake. What is the name of the poem? Repeat after the teacher. Pat a Cake. So here we start. Pat a cake, pat a cake. Once again, pat a cake, pat a cake. Baker's man, baker's man. All together children, repeat after the teacher with action. Pat a cake, pat a cake. Baker's man, bake me a cake. Repeat. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. As fast as you can. Once again, from starting, pat a cake, pat a cake, pat a cake. Baker's man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it. Once again, pat it and prick it. Once again all together, pat it and prick it and mark it with T. And mark it with T. Put it in the oven for teacher and me. Put it in the oven for teacher and me. Once again all together. Pat a cake. Pat a cake. Pat a cake. Baker's man. Children keep repeating the poem along with the action. Pat a cake. Pat a cake. Baker's man. Bake me a cake. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. As fast as you can. Pat it and prick it. Pat it and prick it and mark it with T. Put it in the oven for teacher and me. Put it in the oven for teacher and me. Okay? So we have done with the poem Pat a Cake. Once again, teacher will repeat the poem along with the action. You all can repeat, and then after that we will be starting with the next topic. Okay? So once again, pat a cake, pat a cake, pat a cake. Baker's man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with T. Put it in the oven for teacher and me. So we are done with the poem Now teacher will be doing with you the drawing. So you all can sit down in your places, remove your drawing book and your crayons out. Teacher will be showing you the picture that we have to draw in your drawing book. Okay, so sit down and get ready for your drawing. So children, get ready for your drawing. Kindly remove your drawing books out. And along with your drawing books, you can even remove your crayons. You are going to use wax crayons to color in your book. Which colors you are going to use? Wax crayons. So this is your drawing book. If you all have removed it, kindly open to page number 1, the first page of your drawing. The first page of your drawing book. Okay. Now what shape is this? What shape is this? This is a square. It is a square. What is the shape? Square. And what can you see here down? Yes, this is a carom board. What is this? Carom board. And carom board is which shape? Square shape. Carom board is in which shape? Square shape. So this is a square shape. Okay. And which color is the square? Yes, it is blue color. Which color? Blue color. So you have to color the square given over here at side in blue color. Which color will you color? In blue color. Okay. But you're not going to use dark blue color. You're going to use light blue color. Here, which color is this color? It is light blue color. See, it is in light blue color. It is not dark blue. So you're going to color it in the light blue color. But when you are going to color this, you have to be very careful how you color. Okay, you have to color inside in the box only. Teacher will show you how to color. See, when you color this, you're going to color inside in the box in one direction only. Either you color in the standing way or you color it in the sleeping way. In the standing line or in a sleeping line. But you have to color it in one direction and neatly. You don't have to remove the color outside of the box. Teacher will give you wrong. If you remove the color outside your square, you will get wrong. Neither will you scribble it. You are not going to scribble it. You have to color it in one direction only. If you are doing it untidy work, teacher will give you wrong. तो आपको बहुत अच्छे तरह से आहिस्ते से कलर करना है in one direction. कैसे भी उल्टा पुल्टा नहीं करना है, स्क्रिबल नहीं करना है, गंदा काम नहीं करना है. अगर आप कलरिंग स्टैंडिंग लाइन में कर रहे हो तो यू हैव टू कलर इट इन द स्टैंडिंग लाइन. अगर आप स्लीपिंग लाइन में कर रहे हो तो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट कलरिंग इट इन द स्लीपिंग लाइन. और आपका कलर ये बॉक्स के अंदर ही होना चाहिए, बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Okay, so we start coloring. So when now teacher will color, she will color inside in the box. See, you have here on the first page, when you see the square side, they have given you a box. So you have to color the square, the box that is given to you, the square box that is given to you. So when you color, see to it you color it in one direction only, either standing or sleeping. Now teacher is coloring it in which direction? In standing direction, standing line. Okay, so she is coloring it in the standing line. If you want to color, you can color it in the sleeping line also. You can color in the standing line as well as sleeping line. Okay, so we quickly color it either standing line or sleeping line. Do not scribble in the book. Do not scribble in your book. Keep your book neat and tidy. कैसे भी नहीं करना है, आपको आपका बुक नीट रखना है. See, teacher has colored in one direction. It is looking so neat. You can color it little darker. अगर लाइट होगा तो make it little dark. बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, किधर भी बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए. Okay, keep it neat and tidy. So you can complete coloring your square in your drawing book. So children, keep practicing the poem and the drawing that we have learned today. Till then, see you back in the next class. Thank you.